Are you feeling like you don't quite belong in this world? Do you often find yourself wondering if there's more to life than what meets the eye? If so, you might be surprised to learn that you could already be living in the fifth dimension, a higher state of consciousness that transcends the physical realm. Keep watching, and we'll explore the signs that indicate you're part of this incredible spiritual awakening. The importance of recognizing fifth-dimensional living. If you're not aware of the signs that you're living in the fifth dimension, you might be missing out on the amazing opportunities for growth and enlightenment that come with this elevated state of being. By understanding and embracing these signs, you can unlock a whole new world of possibilities and step into your true potential as a spiritual being having a human experience. Heightened intuition and psychic abilities. One of the most prominent signs that you're living in the fifth dimension is a heightened sense of intuition and the emergence of psychic abilities. Have you ever had a gut feeling about something that turned out to be spot on? Or perhaps you've had vivid dreams that seem to carry profound messages or insights. These experiences are all indicators that your intuition is expanding and you're tapping into the wisdom of the universe. As you continue to develop your intuition, you may find yourself experiencing more profound psychic phenomena, such as clairvoyance, seeing beyond the physical realm, clairaudience, hearing messages from spirit guides or higher beings, or claircognizance, knowing things without any prior knowledge. These abilities are a natural part of living in the fifth dimension, and they serve to guide you on your spiritual path and help you navigate the challenges of life with greater ease and grace. Increased synchronicities and meaningful coincidences. Another telltale sign that you're living in the fifth dimension is the occurrence of increased synchronicities and meaningful coincidences in your life. Synchronicities are those seemingly random events that are too perfectly timed to be mere coincidence. They often carry profound messages or serve as guideposts along your spiritual journey. Imagine constantly seeing repeating numbers, like 1111 or 444, or having people and opportunities show up in your life at just the right moment. These synchronicities are the universe's way of communicating with you, letting you know that you're on the right path and that you're being supported by higher forces. As you learn to recognize and interpret these signs, you'll find that your life begins to flow with greater ease and purpose, enhanced sense of love, compassion, and unity. Living in the fifth dimension also brings with it an enhanced sense of love, compassion, and unity. As you awaken to this higher state of consciousness, you begin to see the world through the eyes of love, recognizing the divine spark that exists within everyone and everything. You start to understand that we are all interconnected, and that the actions and choices we make have a ripple effect on the entire universe. This understanding leads to a deep sense of compassion for all beings, and a desire to live in harmony with the world around you. You may find yourself naturally drawn to acts of kindness and service, as you recognize that by uplifting others, you're also uplifting yourself. In the fifth dimension, the illusion of separation begins to dissolve, and you start to experience the profound unity that underlies all of creation. Inner peace and joy. One of the most beautiful aspects of living in the fifth dimension is the inner peace and joy that comes with it. Despite the chaos and challenges of the world, those who have awakened to this higher state of consciousness find an unshakable sense of peace and happiness within themselves. This inner peace stems from a deep connection to the divine and a trust in the ultimate goodness of the universe. When you're living in the fifth dimension, you understand that everything happens for a reason, and that even the most difficult experiences are opportunities for growth and expansion. You're able to maintain a state of inner calm and balance, even in the face of adversity, because you know that you're always being guided and supported by a loving universe. This inner peace is accompanied by a profound sense of joy that bubbles up from within. It's a joy that's not dependent on external circumstances, but rather comes from a deep appreciation for the beauty and wonder of life itself. As you continue to cultivate this inner joy, you'll find that it radiates outward, touching the lives of everyone you encounter and creating a positive ripple effect in the world. Embracing and nurturing your fifth-dimensional experiences. As you begin to recognize the signs that you're living in the fifth dimension, it's important to embrace and nurture these experiences. This is a time of great transformation and growth, and it's essential to be gentle with yourself as you navigate this new reality. One of the most important things you can do is to cultivate a daily practice of meditation and mindfulness. By taking time each day to quiet your mind and connect with your inner being, you'll create a sacred space for your fifth-dimensional experiences to unfold. You may find that during these moments of stillness, you receive profound insights, guidance, and healing energies that support you on your journey. It's also crucial to surround yourself with people who understand and support your spiritual growth. Seek out like-minded individuals who are also walking the path of awakening, and create a community of love and support. By sharing your experiences and insights with others, you'll not only deepen your own understanding, but also help to anchor the energies of the fifth dimension more fully into the world. As you continue to embrace and nurture your fifth-dimensional experiences, trust that you're exactly where you're meant to be. Your journey of awakening is unfolding in perfect divine timing, and every step along the way is an opportunity for growth and expansion. Remember that you're not alone in this journey. Countless other souls are awakening alongside you, and together, we're co-creating a new reality based on love, compassion, and unity. The teachings of Dolores Cannon. One of the most profound teachers of our time when it comes to understanding the fifth dimension is Dolores Cannon. Through her groundbreaking work in past life regression and hypnotherapy, Cannon has helped countless individuals access the wisdom of their higher selves and gain a deeper understanding of the nature of reality. Cannon's teachings provide a powerful framework for understanding the fifth dimension and the process of spiritual awakening. She explains that as we evolve and expand our consciousness, we begin to tap into higher dimensions of reality, where the limitations of the physical world fall away, and we're able to access the infinite wisdom and potential of our true nature. According to Cannon, the fifth dimension is a state of being where love, peace, and unity are the dominant energies. It's a realm where the illusions of separation and duality begin to dissolve, and we're able to see the interconnectedness of all things. In this state of consciousness, we're able to manifest our reality with greater ease and grace as we align ourselves with the flow of the universe and trust in the unfolding of our highest path. Cannon's work also emphasizes the importance of healing and releasing old patterns and beliefs that no longer serve us. She teaches that as we awaken to the fifth dimension, we're called to confront and transform the shadow aspects of ourselves, those parts of us that have been hidden away or denied. By bringing these aspects into the light of our awareness and offering them love and compassion, we're able to integrate them and become more whole and authentic versions of ourselves. Continuing your journey of awakening. As we've explored throughout this video, the signs that you're living in the fifth dimension are all around you, waiting to be recognized and embraced. From heightened intuition and psychic abilities to increased synchronicities and a profound sense of love and unity, These experiences are all indications that you're undergoing a powerful spiritual transformation. As you continue on your journey of awakening, remember to trust the process and have faith in the unfolding of your highest path. Embrace the changes and challenges that come your way, knowing that they're all opportunities for growth and expansion. Surround yourself with love and support, and don't be afraid to reach out for guidance when you need it. Most importantly, keep nurturing your connection to your inner being, that wise and loving presence that resides within you. It's through this connection that you'll find the strength, courage, and clarity to navigate the fifth dimension with grace and ease. Trust that you're exactly where you're meant to be, and that every step along the way is leading you closer to the realization of your highest potential. As we come to the end of this video, I invite you to share your own experiences of living in the fifth dimension in the comments below. By coming together and sharing our stories, we help to create a powerful collective energy of love and support that uplifts and inspires us all. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, where we'll be sharing more content on spiritual growth, the teachings of Dolores Cannon, and the incredible journey of awakening that we're all on together. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, you are a beautiful, powerful, and infinite being, and your presence here on this planet is a gift to us all. Keep shining your light, and trust that the universe is always conspiring in your favor. Until next time, keep embracing the magic and wonder of the fifth dimension, and know that you're loved beyond measure.